welcome back again to another new video. In today's video we're gonna make mom's hair for the first time. Sisi tunafanya madogodhanio gani kwa kichwa? So yeah, Eden said you should make his hair too. So let's wait and see the madogodhanio we're going to do on Shosho's hair. So for making the Shosho's hair, I have to put the head up. You look where the line is supposed to be. The head here is very soft. Mama. Yeah? Good job. Yeah? Let's continue. You have to be very fast when you go outside because I'm the later. But be very fast. You want to let me do it very fast?
Yeah.
Okay, let me do it very fast.
We need to go to eat promise first, and then we go to see the waiter for Papa.
Yeah?
Then we go home.
Yeah. I hope to put it straight.
No, let me do this.
Okay.
Yeah,
Good job. Good job. I'm going to do it again. You did it. Good job.
yeah. Yeah.
Go. Hapo ndo katikati yako.
Mama, we make this here. Sure.
Angalia mapua. Sio? Right, okay. Hope you make the right one. There? This was a hairband?
Mama, let me
not?
do this.
Okay.
Huh? What do you do with
You
this?
have to close this side.
Let's close this side.
So, umefanya choko kichwa. Nywele.
What's the band?
Wait, I'll give you. We're gonna make some like 4 boxes. Here too. And then we start from here behind.
Mama, don't do this. Behind?
Then we close here. So guys, now we have spaced here and here, and we have to remain with this part. And then now we're gonna make here small lines. And then we put the rubber band here again.
Yeah.
And make it a little bit tight.
Need the band.
Then we have here.
You need the band.
So here
God.
we're going to make also small. Yeah, let me do it. How many do you make? 3. You make 3. I don't know if the hair is going to be enough. Ellen is really distracting me.
Look, see? It's cool.
Really disturbing us.
Mama, it's cool. See?
I'll make just big ones, so that you make big ones, Mama.
And then, Mama.
So I split this one into 2 parts. I don't like big ones. They don't normally appear nicely. I'm gonna try. And then we put the rubber band again. You have to make it tight. We're gonna continue. But here again. Because the mama lazima tuletea 1 million. Lako hivyo tuletea 1 million for YouTube. do this upper part the same way we did down here. Gonna do it. We are finally done with one side. Mama, one side. Do you know how many pieces we have here? Almost like that. But it looks good.
Say what you wanna say to me now.
Have two more here in front and then part one is done and Shisho is already tired. Yeah, because so neat. Hey.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you.
Because kumesha kichwa yako chini. Tuko nimekuleta ushuko hapo.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean.
Fix the second one. Fix it. I could show people how I'm fixing it. You know, they cannot even see. Guys, I wish I could show you how I'm fixing it. It's a little bit impossible.
You in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you.
Okay, the next one. Yeah, it's going to be beautiful. And for a new starter, Majua.
say to me now? I wanna wake up
Guys,
with
you have to add the hair. So that one is not enough. We still have some few remaining parts here.
you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So guys, you're done making the hair. It's just tired. That's the hair. We did it. For sure. Go and see if you're proud of me. Go on the wall, on the mirror. So guys, we come to the end of this video. The hair is done after 3 hours, or I think something like that. We have done making the hair, and my hair is also looking bad, but mine doesn't count. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye bye.